Replacement test. Hello, Sarah. I'm very well, thank you. How do you? How are you? How you are? How is it? The correct answer is how are you? What's name? Jane Edwards. You, your, yours, your. The correct answer is your. How old are you? I 20. Me is 20. I've 20. I'm 20. The correct answer is I'm 20. Is this your book? No, it isn't. No, isn't it? No, he isn't. No, there isn't. The correct answer is no, it isn't. Where is Anna from? From Rome. It is, her is, he is, she is. The correct answer is she is. Is your address 12 Sundown Street, Bristol? How, who, what, that. The correct answer is what. Name is John Smith. His, he, her. The correct answer is his. Sam, a doctor. He's a teacher at the university. Aren't, isn't, not, doesn't. The correct answer is isn't. Here are John and Mercedes. Are from Valencia in Spain. They, their, them, this. The correct answer is they. Have you got a computer? Yes. I got, I've got, I have. The correct answer is I have. "200 students in my school. They are it is. There are, there is. The correct answer is there are. Do you live in Tbilisi? Yes. I live. I don't. I do live. I do. The correct answer is I do. Is that car? No, it isn't. They, there, there, they are. The correct answer is there. Is this blue bag? It's 5.50 pounds. Where? How big? How much? What? The correct answer is how much. What's her job? She's an actress, the actress, an actress. The correct answer is an actress. Your car, it's in the car park. Which is, whose, when's, where's. The correct answer is where's. Bag is this. It's mine. Whose, what's, whose, who. The correct answer is whose. Only 3 chairs in my room. They are, there are, there is, it is. The correct answer is there are. She, a house in the town center. Got, have got, has got, is got. The correct answer is has got. Brothers, have you got? Only one. How much? How old? How are? How many? The correct answer is how many? All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for your attention and be happy as never before.